Imagine a universe where invisible cosmic guitar strings vibrate, shaping reality itself. These aren't science fiction. They're cosmic strings, theoretical defects in the fabric of space-time. Born in the universe's first moments, these ultra-thin strands could stretch across galaxies, each packing the mass of a small planet. Scientists believe cosmic strings might warp space, creating gravitational lenses that bend light from distant stars. They could even cause ripples in space-time, generating detectable gravitational waves. But here's the kicker. We've never actually seen one. Researchers are scouring the cosmos for telltale signs, using advanced telescopes and gravitational wave detectors. If found, cosmic strings could revolutionize our understanding of the early universe and the nature of reality itself. It's a cosmic treasure hunt that could unravel the very threads of our existence.